So hello guys and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can make your Spotify from looking like this to this. Right here you can see how beautiful our Spotify is looking, and you can have the NCH visualizer right here while playing your songs. You can have a full app display like this and make your Spotify look pretty sick. And the theme will change according to your Spotify song. So without any further ado, let's start with the video. So I am assuming that you must have seen my previous video on how to install Spotify on your Spotify so that you can run Spotify without any ads and unlock those premium features. So if you haven't seen that video yet, you can check out in the I button right here. So after you have installed the Spotify, what you got to do is open this marketplace option that you have right here, and first we will change our theme. So right here you can see many themes, but currently the theme that I am using is this default dynamics. So after clicking restore, you can see the theme has changed. And what this theme that does is that when you play any songs like this, so it just basically changes the themes according to the themes of the song. So right here you can see the background will be changing and it gives a nice little tail effect. So moving on, next what we have here is some of the extensions. So the must have extension here is an ad block extension, because you clearly don't want the ads in your Spotify. And the next extension that I use is beautiful lyrics, so I'll reload it later. And this in-app full display modification, you can enable this from here too. And you can check out many more extensions like this, like play on YouTube. You can see the particular song you are playing on YouTube, which is a pretty good feature to be honest, and will really help you. You can also find a sleep timer, so that when you are going to sleep you can just set the music and music will turn off automatically. So you can explore this on your own. There are pretty good plugins right here. So we'll just keep it till here and move on to the snippets. So snippets, you can just hide the update button, but I'm not installing it because my theme already does it for me. And you can choose this now playing around it. I like this one though, which is pretty good, but you can also add this if you want, and you can explore many more snippets right here. And personally I use this on echo. So what it does is add this little pet right here, which is kind of good looking. And now when we come to the apps, here we can find many apps, but you have to install them externally. So let me tell you how to do it. First I'm gonna add this NCS visualizer, which looks pretty good. So just click on the visualizer, and from here what you got to do is just paste these commands in your terminal one by one. So I'm just gonna hide the terminal due to safety features, but you just have to paste this spicify config.dir file command into your PowerShell, and it will open the folder where your Spicify is installed. So from there you can just go to custom apps and create a folder, new folder, and name it NCS-Visualizer. So you can copy the name NCS Visualizer from here and rename the folder. Okay, now all you got to do is download these files and just extract them and paste them into this file that you have created right now. So I'll just copy these files and paste it into the MCS Visualizer right here. Now our setup is almost complete, and what you have to do at last is this: run this command on your PowerShell so that it detects the folder changes, and here it will say success. After that you just have to paste this Spicify apply and just restart your Spicify, and it would be really great looking. So now here let's check the after results of our Spicify modification. This is how it looks, and it looks pretty good. And here you can see our NCS Visualizer is also available, so when you are playing the song it will just give a nice little effect right here. And this lyrics page is also really cool. Right here you can see, so it enhances your Spicify, or I'll say Spotify experience to a lot great level, and you can just flex it to your friends. So hope you liked the video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below telling me what next topic should I make a video on. So thanks for watching.